Hi everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and DIY2 video. So, I need to make some changes, and a lot of you know the stories through the years, what's been going on. I'm not going to go into detail on any weird stuff, but let's just say those of you who know me through the years, know what's been going on, are very familiar with the stories. I'm going to make some changes for DIY2 video community, and there will be no official crowdfunding, coin sale, token sale. Reason being, I've been turned in for investigation to the FTC, SEC, FCC, IRS, and FBI. All the above have been turned into for fraud, and I'll be under investigation, most likely. And as you all know through the years, it's been 6 years now, and this has been happening again and again and again through the years, and I do get investigated every single time, and it comes through squeaky clean every single time. So nothing new. Those of you who know me from my daily videos, this is nothing new and no surprise. And so moving forward, I have been getting advice, and we, the DIY2 video team, have decided to not go ahead with a coin sale only because every single country has their own laws, alright, and what might be valid in one country might not be in another country, and it's such a mixed up, confusing mess. So if you make a sale to one country that says it's a security, but you're in a country that says it's not, then that country could pursue you legally for selling to their people under whatever laws. But anyway, so depending on what country you're in and what the laws are like in your country, it's confusing. It's really confusing. And our own government and our own laws are so confusing that nobody really knows, is a token a security? If a token is a security, then it has to be registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission. That's fine. If a token is not a security, then you can sell it and raise funds to grow your business. Totally normal. But is it a security? Is it not a security? I don't know. So, again, as it always has occurred, things have meant for my harm, and it's actually going to turn into my benefit. One, I'm going to get to know all the authorities in the area, and they'll all become viewers of my YouTube channel, which is going to boost my channel, and probably they'll become members of DIY2 video as well, which is going to boost everything. What happened back in New York, every single buddy in the whole area knew me and watched my videos, so that's a bonus. The other bonus is, basically, I'm just going to not go ahead with it and take the safe side and cover all angles and just not do it. Now, that having been said, we are not going to pursue a crowdfunding campaign and a coin sale, but the coin is on an exchange for you to buy. So those of you who are interested in purchasing the coins can go through a registered legal coin exchange, which is, I don't know all the laws what they call it, but there's legal proceedings to have a coin exchange, and I'm not even going to go there, it's not my problem. But you can go there and buy, sell coins on a legal registered coin exchange called Fort Delta, and I'll put the links in the video description and the comments below. So that's all good and happy, and nothing changes for you at all. Nothing. If you do feel like donating, we are going to have donation links on DIY2 video and DIY2 coin websites for Ethereum, Bitcoin, and all the major coins. For those of you who are interested in donating and contributing, there are a lot of costs associated with running a video sharing website like DIY2 video. Members come on for free. We don't charge members a thing. Absolutely free. Free for the members. Not only that, we pay you for minutes watched and for comments and for thumbs up on your comments. And so tell everybody, come on over to DIY Tube Video and start earning DIY Tube coins. We pay you. So no cost to you ever, no cost to the members, and quite the contrary, we pay you for coming over. Come on over and upload your first 10 videos, get 1,000 coins for free. The first 1,000 people that do that, first 1,000 people that get 100 subscribers get 1,000 more coins. The first 1,000 people that write their first 10 comments get 10 free coins. So we're giving away millions of coins to jumpstart the community and get it going. Now we're considering a Kickstarter, Indiegogo type fundraising campaign on a donation based type of thing where you donate so much you get a gift or whatever. But we're looking into that. I'm not sure yet. But anyway, that's it, guys. So for you, if you are interested in getting coins, just follow the link below. It's all legal and legitimate, and it's registered and licensed. Coin exchange that pre-exists, had nothing to do with us. So anyway, what was meant for harm has again turned into good. And you know, we've been studying and felt that it's just safer to go this way. Why risk anything when there's just a lot of gray zones out there, so forget it. So like I said, those of you interested in buying the coins, nothing changes for you at all. Actually, it's even easier. We're not doing a coin sale, so you don't have to be whitelisted. We don't need your identification. We need to know nothing about you at all, because I have nothing to do with it now. So that's actually a bonus. All you need is an Ethereum wallet and some Ethereum. Go to Fork Delta, and I'll put the link down here below, the direct link to our coin, and on the exchange. All you need is an Ethereum wallet and some Ethereum in your wallet, and you can buy coins. So that's even better. That's better for everybody involved. I don't have to deal with it. There's no paperwork for me, and you don't have to deal with it. All you got to do is buy your coins. So again, things have turned out for the better and easier. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World, the Off-Grid Project, and DIYTube.video. Tell everybody, come on over, spread the word, tell the community, and get some free coins. Their value will most likely continue to grow because as the community becomes more popular, so will the coin. Talk to you later, guys.